Okay. Okay, so we're live. Okay, let me share this in Discord really quickly. Share, hey everyone, I'm streaming. Okay, there we go. So today I'm gonna be learning a new engine, new gaming engine. So I mean, the reason I chose this one, this game engine, is because, well, there's some really cool games that have been made on here, like this one and this one. It literally looks like it was made in, like, Unity or something. Why do you want to become a mod, Leroy? You always want to say that. If you search this up on YouTube, you can see it seems like an actual really good game, and it was made in this software, so I'm gonna try to remake my game that I've been working on, Strikeout. I'm gonna try to remake it inside. Because, see, this was made inside of the software. So, I mean, it seems like a really good software. So, yeah. So, got it open. So, yeah. I'm not exactly sure how to use it. I just got it today, so please be with me. Freaking mod. There we go. There's your mod, Leroy. Jeez. You better not do something like last time. Let's see here. Let me open up my game on here. I'm going to stop screen sharing for right now, because I think that should have worked. Really? Didn't work? Why the heck do they have this then? Stop. I'll just stop this for now, because I don't want you guys to see my password or anything. Okay, sign in. So I'm gonna have to work on, like, all new start screen and everything, but that's probably fine. Okay, let me share again. There we go. Okay, so got this open. Strikeout. So yeah, I'm going to have to import these, so let me go to my Pascal too right now. And I think this actually does work with Pascal. If I remember right, this actually does, like, work along with Pascal, which is what I use to make sprites and everything. So yeah, I'm just trying to learn out all this stuff. I already did log in, what the heck? here, so I can't package. Yeah, only twice a day, but I mean, I really don't. I'm not gonna export it like every single time, so let me sign into my account. I have like 10 million accounts. Okay, that's not the right password. Okay. Okay, so I need to get this. I'm going to delete that. So I need to get this. Save that to my gallery. I need to export this, so 1 times, I guess. So download. Okay. I'm just gonna put that in my logos folder in here. Strike out blue. So then I need this one also. So delete that. Export. Download. And move this over to strikeout. Okay. So now I got both of these. I don't think I need anything else right now. So here, no, got nothing else for this project. So, you better not ban anyone, Leroy. This is why I did this last time where you couldn't do anything. Okay, so I need to rebuild a bunch of stuff in here. Then, it's here, so. Let's see here. I haven't really done anything with this, so add an animation. We're going to add, let's see here, it's in my logos folder, others, strike out. Guess I'll do the red one first, so yeah. I'll just do it car, I guess. So I'm gonna name it car red. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So let's see here. I'm just going to add this right now. Let's see here. Just add a event, I guess. I'm not exactly sure. No, not that. Physics behavior. Let's see here. Not exactly sure how to work this thing out yet, so yeah, Okay, so what happens if we play? Nothing. Okay, I need to add. Let me look at another project. Let me save this. Okay, let me look at some other projects. Guess this one, because this is a side scroller. So, okay. So, basically, I don't really know a bunch of this stuff. It's your player. What's this? Okay, that's the background, so we do need to make a background. So if we don't, so we're going to make a background. Okay, this is harder than I expected. I'm really just used to this, so we're gonna make a few goals, and yeah. Okay, so let's open up some paint.net or something. So yeah, okay, paint.net. Okay, so this is probably gonna take a while to open. That's what happens with my paint.net. It takes forever to open up. So yeah, so this is how they make it, for this at least. So I need to make a camera, maybe. So let me try this one out. Let's see here. Let it load up. Yeah, so you play with the arrow keys, or if you're on mobile, you just play that. Yeah, okay. So if you're on mobile, you can just hold. So yeah. Okay, Photoshop. Paint.net is open. Okay, resize. We're gonna make it 1920 by 1080 because that's how big the game is going to be. If I remember right, it's here. Close. Open. Start screen. No, it's in my user. Okay. There it is. Okay, game. Let's open that up. Okay, so if I remember right, this settings, that's your properties, 1920 by 1080. Yeah, okay. So, wow, that's a big composition. So we're going to make a background kind of like this. Yeah, I know it's lagging because I'm using Google Hangouts. And the reason I'm not using my OBS right now is because I just need to configure my settings right now for my OBS because it just lags. Like, the stream doesn't look like it looks worse than this thing. Add you to what group? Let's see here. What group? Oh, Discord group. Well, where should... Okay, I mean, this whole thing is full with people, but yeah. Yeah, I know I removed you, but that's because everyone said that they wanted someone else instead of you on there. So I'm going to try to make this. Actually, I should probably just make another game first. Like another kind of game. Like a platformer. Because that would be simpler than this. But yeah, I'm just gonna look at a few of these games. Let's see here. That's a cool game, I gotta say. I don't know how people made this with this kind of game. Like, literally, look at this. It's like a 3D kind of game. Okay, that's page not found. It's very nice. So what's good about this software is that you can export it on basically anything, because if you look, say I wanted to, say I wanted to, like, export a game of some kind, like, this maybe, I'm not exactly sure. I do the export stuff, where is it? I think that's not it, it's, here. So it's this one, you click here and you export it. You can export game. So you can do online games. Let me see. So you can actually, it's here. So yeah, you can, like, as you can see, I'm going to, so you can export it as like a HTML5 game, which I should do those, at least some of those, because I can just upload them to my website on a new page and it'll be really easy. So let me just see here. I'll just make a new folder called games. Okay, right here. Okay, your name is games. Okay, I'm going to make another folder, just a test, and select that folder, and you can just export it like so. And yeah, let's see here. Is it even working at all? I'm not exactly sure. But as that's rendering or whatever, so this is exporting. Let me make the background for this. So it's supposed to be like a Rocket League. So I'm just gonna search that up, see what we get on here. So I'm just gonna open the folder. So this is all of it. I'm gonna say this is the thing. Exactly sure how this works, but yeah. So there's an index thing here. Really doesn't want to work at all. So yeah. I think for right now I'm just gonna make it like a simple platformer game until I learn really how to use this software better. I'm just gonna search up for the stadium. I can just get something like this. So yeah, so we're going to get a grass texture. First of all, let's get a grass texture. So yeah, I'd say something like this. Yeah, this looks good. So let's save that, and let's open it up in paint.net. So there are like marks here and everything. I don't know exactly if like when I release the game, I'll probably not have like boost pads right away, but I mean I could add them later on, especially with this kind of software here. Once I know how to use it at least. So let's make that background. Okay, here we go. Okay, copy that, and we're going to just paste it on here. Canvas size. I'm just gonna paste it. Just gonna paste it like so. So we do want it to look pretty realistic. I'd say that probably would look good. Actually, you know what? I need to put this on another layer. If I don't, it's gonna be really hard. So I'm gonna say that's a good texture. So I'm just gonna duplicate it, and I'm just gonna make it to the side a bunch. Just like so. I'm just gonna merge down, select. Nope, forgot to duplicate it. Okay, right about there. It's like this, and we're just gonna keep doing this till we get all this done. So I'm gonna start putting this down now. Okay, like so. Okay, nice. So this is looking great so far. So let's do it again. This grass texture actually is working out great. So we're going to just merge it. Oops. Didn't want to merge it, I wanted to duplicate it. And let's move it down again. This last tiny bit. Just like so. So now we got our grass texture here. Going to just put our last piece right here. So yeah, this is our last piece. And there we go. We are done with the grass. So we just got this. Now we're gonna start working with it. Okay, so let's see here. So we want some kind of hex pattern also. So your hex pattern. Just look for a nice looking hex pattern. This actually looks a lot like that one, so I'm gonna use this. Okay, I'm just gonna name it hex. So yeah, so now I need to make the outside. So I'm probably gonna just I'm not exactly sure. Probably gonna round this a bit, maybe. Is there some kind of round thing here? So I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make a bar here. So let's just make this. Let's make a new layer. Let's just put a border on here. So white. So we're gonna put a frame on here. Okay, so we're gonna put a single. So 0. I'm gonna make it about, I'd say 30. And yeah, I think that should work. Actually, you know what? I don't think I should put a border. I should just put like this, put that down, and that down, and that's it. I think that's all I should do. I'm just gonna cancel, and we're going to just put some stripes on here. So here I'm going to put a. So here, what am I gonna do? I'm going to make a grid line. Just gonna search up for some black bars. Should probably have some tier PNGs. Because it's kind of like in a checkered pattern. So yeah. Probably have some somewhere. So let's see here. Guessing on my desktop. Probably here. It's here. So where would it be? So probably here. There it is. So these black bars. Let's just look at them in Paint.net. Let's see here. They're on desktop, pack, Black Bars 2. Those probably won't work. Let's check the other ones. Black Bars 1. Those probably will work. So let's select all the white here. I'm going to do 67, and we're just going to erase all of this. Like so, and there we go. Now we got our black bars here. Just going to copy it and paste it on here probably. Put this on like so. Going to duplicate it. Just going to, where is it? Let's see here. Actually, let's just make a new layer. So we're gonna make this, actually let's make this bigger, let's say. Probably like that. Okay, that seems good. Going to paste on here also. Just going to put it like this. Probably just like that. Okay, so we're gonna make this opacity. So we're gonna put this one on top. I'm gonna make this opacity, I'd say 75-ish. And this one is gonna be about, actually let's turn this one to 75. 75, and we'll turn this one down to like 65. 55. I think that looks good. I think that looks pretty good. So let's see here. Hmm. So now we need to make this pattern, which I'll probably do in Photoshop. Yeah, I'm making a game. If you didn't look at my other video, it's called Strikeout. And it's basically a 2D Rocket League. And I'm remaking it into another game engine because people are complaining about this one. They really don't like it, so I'm going to make another one. So yeah. So I'm basically just making this right now, this stadium. I'm just gonna save this. I'm gonna put it in my gonna put it in here. I'm gonna save it as PNG. I'm just gonna name it grass background, I guess. Let's just put that there. Grass background, okay. Flatten, okay. So let's open up Photoshop now. So this game is a game that somebody made with Blender, if I remember it. Like Blender and GDevelop. Which basically this is just a background here. So yeah. Okay, so I need to find my projects again. I'm just gonna delete that one. So we're going to import. Sorry, I need to import my car blue also. So car blue. Name it car blue. Just going to open. Let's see. We're going to go to logos, others, strike out blue. Okay, yeah. Yeah, and if I was going to use this inside of the game, I made it in Photoshop. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Basically based it off of this. So basically, yeah. I'm pretty good at Photoshop, I'd say. As you can see, it basically looks the same. Yeah, it does look a tiny bit different, but yeah. So one thing that I do like about this game engine is that you can create lights inside, kind of like Unity. The reason I'm not using Unity, I mean, I do have Unity. If you look, I have Unity, but it's for some reason really laggy on my computer. So, I mean, I just don't want to use it. So, yeah. So we're gonna make a new layer. So we need to open this up. We're going to open up our hex background also. Like so. Let's see, where is it? It's in my Photoshop folder. It's your hex. Gonna open that up also to use inside of here. So we have to Probably gonna open back Paint.net because Paint.net is just a lot easier for like erasing stuff. So yeah, let's open up our hex. So I'm sorry if I'm not like talking a bunch. It's mostly because I really don't want to. I'm gonna set to 50. Just gonna erase all of this. So now we should just have a hex background. This looks really weird. Seems like it's like really weird to look at. So I think that should be it. Let's save as. Just gonna save this PNG. Okay, save. And that should be all of it erased, I'm guessing. Basically, and the pen. So let's start with the pen. Let's turn on our grid. Where is the grid? I forgot. Whoops. Don't want to add a guide. I want to show our grid. Here we go. So 50. I'm gonna set it to about 75. Actually 60, let's say. Yeah, we're just going to move it over here. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's where we're gonna start ours. 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. Just gonna ease it out. 3. Here, let's hear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we're gonna move out 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Gonna ease this out. 3 also. So here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is our goal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not, I don't know if that looks right to me. Oh, whatever. You can always just delete it. So we're gonna make a white stroke, I'd say. Let's look in the picture. Let's see. It's actually like a blue. So this is gonna be red side. So we're gonna make a red stroke. So about that probably would be good. So we're gonna move to let's put it up to 20. 15 maybe. 15 looks good, I guess. Actually, I might want to change this up a bit. It's too late now. Let's just draw over it, I guess. Yeah, I'd say just draw over it. Just gonna draw over this. Just like that. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do it. 4. Let's ease that out. 2. Let's move in 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that the center? Yeah, that's the center of that. 3, 4. So then we move it up here. 1, 2. Here? No, not up there. Like that. So now we got that, and we're gonna make the stroke red. 15. I'm just gonna delete that. There. Oh, I messed up. Okay, so we need to make another layer again. Okay. Just do 4, 1, 2, 0. Say this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. This. So that's going to be that. So we're gonna make this stroke red, like stroke 15. Let's just make it a solid stroke, and that should be it. You can just delete that. So that is our goal, I think. Actually, is that even center? Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then trying to keep miscounting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we need to open it up one more. So I guess I have to redo this again. 0, 1, 2, 3. Oops. 2, 3. Just need to put it 1, 2. Actually, I'm just gonna add a point there. I'm going to go Is that center now? Can't tell. $15. I can't really draw out this stupid goal. Let's see here. See here. I don't know exactly how to open up a store. Let me look on CRG develop. I think I'm just gonna end the stream here, guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, and yeah, see ya.